Hi everyone, welcome back to Chef Dwight. Today's recipe is none other than a famous curry shrimp recipe of mine. So guys, I hope you just sit back and enjoy this video. Let's get this show started. So guys, at this time I'm going to be seasoning the shrimp and set it aside while I prepare the herbs. So guys, I'm just going to be adding, in no particular order, the seasoning. This is the curry. I'm going to save some for burning in the pot. My cayenne pepper for a little spice. Those who don't like spice, they don't have to use it. I'm going to use in some all-purpose seasoning. A touch of black pepper and some garlic powder. Set this aside and just massage this in. Hands are clean. As I said guys, I'm just seasoning the shrimp and put it up while I prepare the herbs. Ooh. Now for a pinch of salt, because of course you know I'm going to have to season the pot again. There you see in the corner there my coconut milk. Look at that guys. So now I'm just gonna put this aside while I deal with the herbs and vegetable. So guys, first and foremost I'm gonna be cutting up the scallion. Now guys, I won't be doing all of this process on the camera because everybody should know how to cut up herbs. So I'm just going to just start the preparation and finish it off camera and get back to you guys. So guys, voila. Okay guys, I'm back. Now there you see my herbs. And the shrimp is back out. And just some coconut milk, as I said, and corn for this recipe. So guys, let's get this show started. Alright guys, so the oil is being heated. I'm gonna put a piece of garlic so I'll know when it's hot. Yep. So at this point I'm going to be adding the rest of the curry. To just burn it, as they would say in Jamaica, burn the curry. Alright guys, so now I'm going to be adding the herbs. Don't mind the whole heap of herbs. I have a lot of shrimp. I hope you guys following, you know. Eric, I hope you're following. Woo. The aroma. See how everything taking the color of the curry? That's how you want it to be. So I'm just gonna saute this and get rid of the potentness of the herb. Alright guys, so now I'm going to be adding the shrimp. See, I told you it's a lot of shrimp. Let me just swing the handle around to my side. Sorry about that noise. And just incorporate everything, herbs, and the shrimp. Guys, I think it should be here right now to smell this. Herbs really bring out a lovely taste in your recipe. Alright guys, so I'm going to just give it some time to get brown, and just continue to stir it. Look at that. Oh my god, the color is popping. Alright guys, so now I'm just gonna turn it. Let's give it a few minutes to. I know shrimp doesn't take long to cook. Alright. So now at this time guys, I'm going to be adding my coconut milk. And just stir that in. Ooh-wee! God, I don't know, but this smells good. Alright guys, I'm just gonna throw the rest and give it some time to cook. At this time you can put the corn in to cook, because I'm going to add the corn to this. But I'm just gonna give it a few more minutes, then I add the corn. Look at that. Ooh. So guys, see you in a few minutes. Back to check on it guys. Woo-wee! And as I said, I would add the corn. So I added it. Then I turn down the stove a bit. You don't want this to burst. So let me be careful with it. It might add too much spice to the pot. So guys, what I'm gonna do now is just make everything just simmer. I added the carrots. It's all about what you want to add, because you can add a bit of cauliflower, broccoli, you know, to this dish. Alright, put back the pepper. See you guys in a minute. Alright guys, I'm back. Now it's just to stir it around, because it's drying down just how you want it, and to taste it to see if you want to add a little salt, or you know, just something to touch it up. This is not a very long recipe. It's in terms of the time it takes to cook. So now I'm just gonna taste it. Ooh, the coconut milk, I tell you. Guys, coconut milk. Now I'd use the tin coconut milk, because the thing is, when I go to the supermarket, I always just pick up and run when it comes to coconut, and by the time I get in, bam, it's spoiled, because the coconuts are picked and shipped green, so they tend to spoil very easily. In Jamaica, it stays on the tree and dry, and you have a perfect coconut. So anyway guys, look at that. Now guys, I left the tail on. If you're wondering, I left the tail on because I just like the look of it. So guys, what I want you to do now is to join me at the table. Look at that, guys. Some pineapple juice. Remember guys, comment, give it a thumbs up, share it. Thank you guys for watching.